The petitioner wife had filed application seeking maintenance of 25,000 each for her and her son.
And what about the husband's income?
Husband salary, only 2 months salary was reflected, 34,550.
The petitioner counsel also filed. This clearly indicate that she is getting 1,50,000 rupees.
Now, what objections? We'll look at the order and he has come to the impugned order. Very simple.
Yes. Annexure A, page 20 is the
Page?
order. 20 minutes. It is against enhancement of compensation laws. The petitioner wife had filed application seeking maintenance of 25,000 each for her and her son. Totally 50,000.
Court had granted 5,000.
5,000 only for the child, rejecting any maintenance for the wife.
Why?
On the ground that wife is earning and that at that particular point of time her
How
salary.
much is earning?
Lords, as per the records, court has held from the bank entries for 43,000 rupees and about 43,000 in 2019 and about 48,000 odd in 2020.
And what about the husband's income?
Husband salary, only 2 months salary was reflected, 34,550, 540 minutes.
What is the age of the child?
Lords, at the time of filing the petition, he was 4. Now, Lords, he's subject to confirm 7 or 8-year-old child. Lords.
Yes.
My lord, petitioner, according to petitioner, assets and liability. She is studying. She is getting salary of 1,50,000 rupees. She is MNC company. She is working in MNC company.
So she says 48, 43, 48,000, uses 12 lakh.
Oh, my lord. Assets and liability have also filed. The petitioner counsel also filed. My lord. This clearly indicate that she is getting 1,50,000 rupees more.
No, ma'am.
See,
Assets and
is-
liabilities.
my lord,
This
my lord,
recorded
is-
para 10 of the
is
impugned
study-
order, page 27.
Is respondent is studying only PUC. She is studying in the MNC company and my lord, very it is clearly this. My lord,
When the court records in the order that it
Court-
is 43,000,
Is-
how can it be 12 lakhs? Where should you
Lord.
get it?
my lord, subsequently after filing of the interim application, I have voluntarily filed memo. My lord, kindly see page number 140. I voluntarily have agreed that I am paying the 5,000 rupees to my child and kindly see, my lord. Page number 140. Respondent has agreed to pay maintenance of 5,000 rupees per month to his.
That is your memo. Your memo cannot be considered. There should be evidence on record.
My lord, I am submitting that I am paying the 5,000 rupees to the my son along with, my lord, kindly say along with condition to give the visitation right. Even till today they are not sure my child. My lord, kindly see, she is getting 1,15,000 rupees and also the applying
Ready to pay all is the educational expenses.
whatever amount, my
Not
lord,
lords.
is spent.
In fact,
I will-
Lords, may I just complete? Lords, what is ordered is only 5,000 rupees. Lords, MC petition is filed by him in the year 2021. Till date, Lords, not once has he uttered that he will take care of the child. In fact, Lords, cross-examination.
140, you only file the paper.
Yeah, he is filed memo, Lords, but what happens is, Lords, after 5 years of pendency of MC petition, when I put him in the cross-examination questions as to which grade the child is studying in, he does not know anything, Lords. After that, he comes and files an application now saying that I will take care of the child. Though he admits here, but never, my Lords, even in the impugned order also, it's not reflected, my Lords. There's no,
1,000 also is not paying.
no, my Lords, he's not paying.
No, I am ready, but
Not ready. You should
No,
have
my
done
lord,
it by
I-
this time.
they are not giving the any account number on anything. If any
an
account
order-
number, I will pay whatever amount
order was
is
passed
spend the
and
amount.
Criminal C miscellaneous 625/2017 dated 16th October 2023, whereby the court had granted 5,000 as interim maintenance. Then counsel for the respondent husband submits that he has already filed a memo for the court that he is ready to pay the entire amount and also is
And
ready to
education amount, education, entire
pay. Recording
education.
that, I'm recording
Please,
that,
please,
please wait. and also ready to bear the entire educational expenses.
Yes, yes, yes.
According to the land council, the details of the bank details are not furnished to him. As such, he could not transfer the amount. List this matter on 28th
In
of
the
August.
meanwhile, my lord,
By that time,
visitation rights.
by that time,
How is that concerned in this petition?
by that time, the entire amount, entire arrears at 5,000 shall be transferred to the wife, and
The
he shall
account
file a
number.
memo to that effect. Further, the wife, by today, the wife shall give the particular.
Bank details are at page number 107. Bank details are
The
there.
bank details are already there at page number 107. To that bank account, the husband shall transfer the amount. And with regard to the visitation and other things, once the amount is transferred, the court will consider the same.
My lord,
Notes, if there is change in
visitation
account,
rights.
I will submit
Once
notes.
in
In case,
month-
I'll just check with the partner.
Very simple. Once in month, if visitation.
The scope
rights
of this petition is not that. Scope of this
Sir,
petition
you
only
also have a
maintenance.
responsibility.
No,
to
we
do
have lots. That application is pending before the trial court. We have argued it's posted for orders on 2/9.
After 3.5 year, even till today,
1st of September,
the
yes.
petitioner.
Next matter.
It's my request is to be had on 5th of September. No?
First, 5th of
It's
September.
because
This is a holiday,
it's subsequent to that. No?
9th of September.
Yes,
Visitation
grateful.
rights, my lord.
Interim order to
Humble
be extended.
request, visitation right at least once in 1 month.
You asked something in their petition without even filing a petition.
In trial court, I have filed application. The
Let it be-
petitioner
let it-
counsel
Posted
has
for orders, it's
strongly
posted for
filed
orders.
Objection, my lord.
At least I cannot understand and hear what both the counsels
I
are
understand.
saying. Repeatedly, the court is saying that at one time I request advocates to argue, but you always, advocates are always testing the patience of the court.
I apologize. Lords.
Till
Yes.
10.
It's interim
Sachin
order to
PS,
be extended.
Yes, interim order earlier granted is extended.
Great.
CS Sachin, Ashok Kumar Shetty ke. for
What
responding-
interim order in this? Why should the
Proceeding
of
125 because the whole case is for maintenance. Lords. That's why.
My lord, kindly see, further proceedings it is not required.
Yes, next.
Till number 10.
Lords,
Sachin BS.
I appear for the petitioner challenging the interim order of maintenance